Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change default start page of Windows 11 Task Manager. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to open your Task Manager on your Windows 11. To open the Task Manager guys, you can use the shortcut key, hold Ctrl Shift key button and press escape from your keyboard. It will open the Task Manager as you can see guys. Now by default it will open the processes tab. As you can see, if you want to change the default tab, just click on option and here you can get the option set default tab. So from here you can easily able to change the default tab of your Task Manager. Just I want to select detail, just I want to set details tab as a default tab of my Task Manager like this. After this guys, now I'm going to close the Task Manager. Now once again I am going to open the Task Manager as you can see guys. So as you can see guys, now my default tab was changed in my Task Manager. Now it will showing details tab. So this is the easy and very simple method to change the default tab of your Task Manager. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.